When you take all the natural notes from C to C, you end up with the C major scale. Spelled out, the scale is C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C again. Analyze the distance between those notes and you will find that they are mostly whole steps, except for the E, F and B, C note combinations. Those are only a half step apart. This now becomes the formula you can apply to any key. But for now, let's focus on the C major scale horizontally. Horizontally means along a single string. If you think about it, this is a logical place to start because it lets you see the formula you just learned and apply it to the neck of the guitar. So for instance, if we want to play the C major scale on the B string, place your index finger on the C at the first fret and follow this finger grouping. C with the index finger, D note with the second finger, fourth finger E. Here comes a position shift, index finger at the F note, G played with the second finger, fourth finger A, another position shift, index finger B note, and finally the high C with the second finger. Now reverse the movement and play the notes back towards the bottom of the scale. C, B, position shift A, G, F, another position shift E, D, and C. The key points for fluid horizontal movements are to visualize those important finger groupings and to focus on the position shifts.